Today on the Daily Eco, we are diving into asexual reproduction in plants, exploring its characteristics and different types. So, let's get started. What is asexual reproduction? Asexual reproduction, seen in some animals, plants, and other organisms, occurs when a cell or part of the body breaks away from an adult and can grow into a new organism that is genetically identical. This process happens through cell division. Characteristics of asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction involves just one parent and doesn't use specialized sexual cells like sperm or eggs. It's common in simple organisms such as bacteria, where one cell splits into two or more. In yeast and fungi, reproduction happens through budding. A small bud grows on the parent and breaks off to become a new organism. Some primitive animals, like sponges, reproduce by budding too. Plants use asexual reproduction through methods like runners and bulbs, allowing them to create new plants without seeds. Asexual reproduction is efficient for rapid growth and preserving traits, but doesn't create genetic diversity like sexual reproduction does. But before we continue, let's put you to the test. Which of the following plant structures generally transports water and nutrients from the roots to the other parts of the plant? Leaves, stems, roots, flowers. Think about it carefully because at the end of the video you can check if you were right. Now, let's look at the different types of asexual reproduction in plants. Stolons. Stolons are thin, elongated stems that grow along the surface of the soil. They develop roots at intervals, eventually producing new individual plants. Rhizomes. Rhizomes are stems with indefinite growth that grow horizontally below or above the ground. They develop adventitious roots from which new plants sprout. Cuttings. Cuttings are sections of stems that can grow into new plants. To propagate, cuttings are typically buried in soil and sometimes treated with hormones to encourage rooting. Grafts. Grafting involves inserting a bud into a cut in the stem of a plant with roots already established. It is commonly used in fruit trees. Leaves and roots. Some plants can reproduce from leaves or pieces of roots. New plants grow from leaves still attached to the parent plant or from roots that break off and grow separately. Sporulation. Plants like ferns and mosses reproduce by forming spores, which are tiny structures that spread and grow into new plants when conditions are right. Propagules. Some plants produce small buds called propagules that can spread and grow into new plants. Parthenogenesis and Apomixis. In some plants, seeds can develop without needing pollen from another plant. This ensures new plants have the same genes as the parent. Budding. Budding is a form of reproduction where buds or outgrowth develops on the parent plant. As these buds grow and mature, they can detach from the parent and become new, genetically identical individuals. By producing plants that are genetically identical, budding allows for the creation of new plants suited to specific environments quickly and efficiently. This makes it ideal for environments where seed reproduction may be challenging. And going back to the question we asked you before, have you thought it through? The correct answer is B, stems. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. As always, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Until next time.